Windows 11 KB5101684 update brings reliability fixes for the Start menu, explorer.exe, and the taskbar. If you are unable to install this update, follow the instructions in this video.
First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the Windows and run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In Second Failure, select Restart the Services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type SFC/scanl. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter.